Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk my perfect resume. Okay, is this platform legit or it just another waste of money platform? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this platform, basically this platform is very popular and they have good review on internet. Okay, and if we talk about you should use this platform or not, so basically yes, you can use this platform, but the thing is only you need to keep in your mind before using this platform is not free. Okay, when you create your resume, when you done your resume, you can complete, in the end they will activate subscription, and if you want, they will starting in the starting they will provide you trial period, and after that if you forget to cancel your subscription, then they will, if you forget to cancel your trial period, then they will activate subscription on your account and you have to pay lots of fees. Okay, so like you can see over here, they are also available on Trustpilot and they have approx 17,000 reviews, and out of which 6% is negative, and all negative reviews are complaining like the cancellation is a little bit hard, and the subscription is also in the first 14 days they have a premium access trial period, and after that the subscription is activated. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to use the platform, then within 14 days you need to cancel your insurance, you need to cancel your subscription, otherwise you have to pay fees in the form of subscription. Okay, so you can also see there are lots of comment, you can say there are lots of, you can say reviews, and all reviews are, most of the reviews are complaining like subscription. Okay, so this is the only problem, otherwise the brand is 100% legit, the platform is 100% legit, there is no problem. The only problem is like subscription model, the platform is not for free. Okay, not free. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.